Hello guys, okay, I just want to show you what I did within that same week I took that trade. The other analysis I did, but I never placed any trade. I was just like trying to do my technical analysis, drawing trend line and support and resistance. Remember guys, I'm not doing any other strategy. I'm not like trying to go right deep. It is the basic of trading, just simple trade line. I don't want to over complicate my understanding in trading. That's what I discover in trading. When you want to be good, you don't complicate too much. When you want to be good, you don't complicate your strategy too much. The first thing you need to know is the market structure. The market structure, where the market is going. Is it trending upward or trending downward, or is it moving sideways? Then from there you have your psychological levels, or maybe what they call the support and resistance. From the support and resistance, you can now know how you can target any trade. So when the market is at any point of support and resistance, you can be thinking of going either long or short. Okay, for example, let me just explain to you guys what I did, what I saw, what made me to draw this arrow in that direction. It was simply my trend line, my support and resistance. So when I just plotted the support and resistance. This I did not do the psychological levels. It was just support and resistance. If you look at it, when you go to, I mean, maybe let's go to well, for our time frame. My 4 hour time frame, if you want to draw my support and resistance, I can go to, when you look at it, I can go to this line chart. I click on line chart so that it can easily make me to understand where the market is bouncing or maybe it's turning. So I plotted this first one here. Now I look at where it banks, where there's possible banks. I plotted this one. You see there are many banks here, so this one is a good support. It bounces here, bounces here, bounces here, and bounces here. Now after some time it breaks, comes back and retests. It becomes now resistant. Now it goes down straight, break, it goes down straight, comes down. Now I did plotted a, maybe a trend line. When you look at it, there was this slope. The market was moving up very gentle, in a gentle slope. When you look at it, you see, so I drew the trend line. You see the market touches here. It started here, touches here the first time, comes here the second time, now touches now the third time, and now it's going upward. So guys, let me just predict this market, and I'll show you guys what I did and where I think it's going and where it will go, I mean, in the long run, where it's heading to. Okay, so after drawing my support and resistance levels, it's looking at the market. By the time I made this market, the market was like this. It has formed a W. When you look at a W, you know that the market is reversing. Look at the W. It has formed a W. Let me go back to the candlestick. If you want to go back to the candlestick, you choose your candlestick here. You choose your candlestick. Okay. Now, it forms a W on my trend line, but below, though it was below my the level I drew, but you see this W on my trend line, bam, bam, breaks my trend line, retests, and now it's going upward. Now when you look at it, it comes here, it tried to retest, it tried to bounce here, but there was a bullish engulfing candle. Finally it breaks to the upper direction. Just looking at it, at this weak rejection, you already know that it's actually breaking and closing above the support or the resistance line. So now the market is going upward. I know it's going to go. Is this a retest? Yes, it's kind of a retest, and now it's heading here. Now by the time I made this market, it was here. When I saw this breakout, I knew that there will be a test and boom, upward. And this is it, guys. So if I was here, I would have picked some pips from this point to this other point, from this point to this other point. So how many pips do we have? We have about, damn, so much point. 11 11,609. That's 116,936 points. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. If I was doing swing trading for 4 hours, oh, that's a lot of money. A whole lot of money, guys. A whole lot of money. What is this? US Tech. You see? US Tech. So now, guys, a whole lot of money. When you look at now, let me see what the market is doing. Okay. Like I told you guys, it